Welcome back, everyone. Considering that our top 3 most watched videos are all drag races, we thought we ought to make another one. However, this time, we wanted to do something a little less conventional. So we wondered, what if we put a drone against an RC car? So here we have, in the role of the RC car, the Transyro Racing Crawler, our specially built brushless RC car. If you're interested in how it was made, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to watch our video about it. But first watch this video because it's going to be exciting. So in the role of the drone, we have the DJI Spark, the world's leading drone manufacturer's first popular small drone. The racing crawler has a 2000 mAh 7.4V 20C lithium polymer battery powering its brushless ESC and motor, which drives all 4 wheels. The DJI Spark is all stock, so it should be able to fly with 50 km/h in its sport mode. While the speed of the RC car is not known yet, it will be interesting how it plays out, so let's do this. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. We do drag races, reviews, and a lot of interesting videos with drones, RC cars, and tech stuff. Now let's get on with the race. Let's see what exactly happened. The RC car was both times quicker off the line with decent starts, but then it was passed by the drone. Even though the Spark had to take off first, it could catch the racing crawler both times, so it won the race. We recently started our Patreon page, so if you would like to support our work, then you can make it possible there. Every little thing helps and we really appreciate it. Also, we will be making some behind the scenes and fail videos which will be only available there, so make sure to check it out. The link is in the video's description, or you just click on the Patreon box at the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, then hit that like button and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the logo. It's not much of an effort for you, but it means a lot to us. Also, you can watch more videos by clicking on the video windows here.